Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very easy to make crochet flower. I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and a 3-ply yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this, and with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn loop through first one to make a magic ring. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Wrap the yarn again, go into this magic ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops, then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. This is second double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 3 into the magic ring, then make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and in this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches into this magic ring. So I have made 16 double crochet stitches. Now pull the starting yarn end to close this magic ring and make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this first round and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would weave this yarn end with the help of needle. I am using a tapestry needle. If you are using a 4-ply yarn, you can also use yarn needle. Now weave this yarn end at the back side. First of all, we would make a knot like this way. Stitches would not get loose in this way, and now we would pull this needle through some backside stitches to secure our work. Now cut this yarn end with the help of cutter and weave the starting yarn end with this same method as well, and we would join pink color yarn now, light pink color. You can start from anywhere. Join this yarn to a double crochet stitch, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and go into the ring, draw a loop, make a double crochet stitch into this same stitch, make a double crochet stitch again into this same stitch. Now we have 3 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Make chain 1, skip 1 double crochet stitch here, go into the second stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then we would make double crochet 3 into the same stitch, make chain 1 again, and we would skip 1 stitch and into the second stitch we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and in this way we would just make chain 1 and 3 double crochet stitches in every second stitch. Now in the last make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into this third chain right here, and we would work into the middle stitch, which is this second double crochet stitch here. So make chain 1 and then make a single crochet stitch into this second double crochet stitch like this, And now we would work into this chain 1 space between this set of 3 double crochet stitches. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6. So after making 6 double crochet stitches, now we would work into the second double crochet stitch in this next set of 3 double crochet stitches, which is right here. So we would make a single crochet into it like this. Again we would work into the chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then we would make our last double crochet stitch, which is the 6th double crochet. Now make a single crochet into the second double crochet stitch. So complete this round with the same process, and we would change the color again. Now again I am using a chocolate brown color to make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. We would make a slip stitch with this change color, and then we would start our working. So make chain 1 and then make a single crochet. We would work into the back loops only of these stitches. So in this same single crochet stitch in the back loop, make a single crochet, then make a single crochet into the back loop of this first double crochet stitch of this shell stitch, then make a single crochet into the back loop of the second double crochet stitch, then a single crochet into the back loop of third double crochet stitch, then into the fourth double crochet stitch, make a single crochet, then into the fifth stitch. Remember to make single crochet stitches only in the back loops, not in the front ones. Now make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch as well. So in this way we would make single crochet in all these stitches of previous round till the end. And now we would make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, which is right here. So make a single crochet, make a slip stitch into this first single crochet stitch of this round. Pull this yarn strand, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave all these yarn ends with the help of needle. So I have woven all the yarn ends, and this beginner friendly flower is ready. You can use this flower on different crochet projects, like you can use it on different baby products, baby hats and baby frocks, and you can use this flower in keyrings as well. I hope you're gonna love this tutorial video. Give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.